Okay, here is last Friday's Friday review. We'll fly through it quickly. -5 minus 8 is minus 13. 2/5 is the same as 0.4. That's 40%. Simplify 12 over 15. 12 and 15 can both be divided by 3. It's going to be 4 over 5. Okay, double 28.5. You multiply that by 2, you get 57. Took me a while to figure. Oh no, sorry, no, skipping on to the next one. 5 1/5 to take away 3/5. So you have to turn this into a top-heavy fraction. Something like 5 by 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26 over 5. Take away 3 over 5, you get 23 over 5, and then you can change that back into 4 and 3/5. Number 6 here took me a while to figure out. I thought this whole thing was 850 at first. I was wondering where's the trick. No, 850 is up to that mark there. That's halfway along, so the whole thing is double 850. So the whole height is 1,700. Wasn't very clear. Number 7, 4 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 250. You take out the 4 and the 250 first. 4 multiplied by 250 is 1,000. So it's 59,000. 0.07 multiplied by 100. You move that 7 2 places and you can end up with 7. 75%. Bells should be ringing in your head. 75% is 3/4. So 3/4 of 200 euros is 150 euros. These next ones, number 10, the ones that I hate, as you know, double the size of the shape. Now, what did they mean, double the size of the shape? Did it mean double the dimensions of the shape? I think they mean double the dimensions of the shape, which means that it's going to be, instead of 2 across and 2 down, it's going to be 4 across and 4 down squares. It's going to be something like that. You should use a ruler, should you? Yes, you should. 4 across, 4 down. That also means that each of the arms has to be 2 wide instead of 1 wide. Is that doubling the size of the shape? No, it's not. That's doubling the dimensions of the shape. If you wanted to double the size of the shape, you would draw a shape that had 6 squares in it instead of 3. But we're not going to waste any more time on that. Right, okay. Question 11. Use subtract and divide. Okay, didn't make it easy for you. Subtract and divide, because 18 take away 9 divided by 3 equals 15. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 18 take away that is 15. Actually, there was no work to do there. 3.048 take away 2.529 is 0.521. Okay, these ones here. 15 10,000s. Oh my gosh. So in the 10,000 places, you're going to have the 5. No, that's not right. That's the 5,000. Sorry. Here's the 10,000s. 15 10,000s is 150,000. Is that right? Yes, it is. 15,000s, that 5 is going to be in the thousands place. 1500s, well, that 5 is going to be in the hundreds. Add it all together. You can have 0, 0, 5. 5 and 1 is 6. 5 and 1 is 6. 1. So it's 166,500. 166,500. Simplify the ratio of 7 to 35. It's 1 to 5. What's the perimeter of a regular hexagon, 6-sided shape with 50 millimeter sides? Okay, so 6 multiplied by 50. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. 6 multiplied by 50 then is 300. 300 millimeters. Descending order. Write these in descending order, just going down. So what's the biggest of all these here? Biggest of them all is 1/3. Followed by 3/10. 1/3 is just over 3/10. 3/10 is 0.3. 1/3 is 0.33333333. Okay. After that comes 1/5. And the very smallest is 1 over 100. Number 17, even though it doesn't look like it, y has to be equal to 60 degrees, because 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. So even though the drawing is completely wrong, y equals 60 degrees. Number 18, round 4.477 to 2 decimal places. You look at the third place, that's a 7. It's bigger than 5, you can round this one up. So it's going to be 4.48. Time is 3:15 in Ireland, 8:15 on the same day in India. There's a 5-hour time difference. 5 divided by 1000 looks familiar. We've had it before. Or 1000. Half. 5 divided by 1.5. We had it the other day. So that's 10. Circular driveway has a radius of 3 meters. What's the diameter? The diameter is double the radius. That's going to be 6 meters. Name this 3D shape. It's a pentagonal prism. Yes, it is. Number 23. The shape in question 22 has how many faces, how many edges, how many vertices? It's got the 2 pentagonal ones and then 5 rectangular ones. So that's 7 faces. Edges, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. And the vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 nil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10. Question 24. What's going on here, Tal? 77, 154, 308. They're getting bigger each time. If you look at the jump, it's jumping up by 77, then it's jumping up by 154. It's basically doubling each side each time. So the next one's going to be 616. And if a car travels 4.5 kilometers in 3 minutes, how far can it travel in an hour? Okay, it's 4.5 kilometers in 3 minutes. Then in 6 minutes, it's going to be double 4.5. That's 9. So 9 kilometers in 6 minutes. And then in 60 minutes, which is an hour, it's going to be 10 times bigger than that. 90 kilometers. Well done.